Hello everybody, Grady here, and guess what I got to experience yesterday? Snow! My first time ever seeing snow! Oh, and it was so fun. I loved it. But here's a little song that I'm going to sing about snow. You wake to the silence, the bright afterglow. Now there's a surprise, for what do you know? It's snowing. Look, it's snowing. Little Jack Frost has been busy all night. The city of